Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we will take the topic male reproductive system. Male reproductive system consists of the following parts. Number one, scrotum. This is the scrotum, first part of the male reproductive system. It is a pouch-like structure containing testes. इसमें testes होते हैं. It is internally divided into two parts. Scrotum is it is divided into two parts. Scrotum is connected with the abdominal cavity through an inguinal canal. Suprametic cord containing nerves, veins, and artery passes through the inguinal canal. This is the scrotum. This is the scrotum. This is divided into two parts. It divides it into two parts. This is one testis, this is other testis. These testes are connected to the abdominal cavity through the inguinal canal. Through this inguinal canal passes suprametic cord. This suprametic cord contains nerves, veins, and artery. This inguinal canal, through this inguinal canal passes the suprametic cord. Now comes to the testes, second part of the male reproductive system. They are primary male sex organs. These each testis is connected to scrotum wall by a muscle-like structure called gubernaculum. In earlier stages, testes are placed in the abdominal cavity. Later, they descend into the scrotum. They come to here. This is the testes. This is the scrotum. This testes are here. One testis and this testis. Second testis. Both are connected to the testis wall by a muscle structure that's called gubernaculum. Sometimes this testis remains always in the earlier stage, remains in the abdomen. Sometimes it fails to descend down. That condition is called cryptocardism. This is the cryptocardism. When there occurs cryptocardism, it causes sterility in males. It causes sterility in males. Each testis is more or less spherical in outline. ये थोड़े से गोल होते हैं and measures 4.5 centimeter long. 4.5 centimeter लंबे होते हैं. 2.5 centimeter breadth होती है इनकी breadth होती है. Testes are surrounded by following coats. इस testis में ये तीन कोट होते हैं. Tunica albugina, tunica vigilanus, tunica albugina, tunica vasculosa. Tunica vaginalis जो है, it is the outer thin coat of testis. ये ब्यूरोनी कोट है इसका. Tunica albugina है, it is the middle coat and made up of tough connective tissue. Tunica vascula, it is the innermost coat and is richly supplied with blood capillaries. Coming here. This is the testis. This LSF testis. This is the tunica albugina outer coat. This is the tunica vascula inner coat. Coming internally testes are divided into a number of compartments. Testes में बहुत सारी compartments होते हैं. Each compartment contains a group of Leydig cells and spiniferous tubules. Leydig cells की function क्या होता है? Leydig cells secretes male sex hormone that is called testosterone. Spiniferous tubules क्या काम करते हैं? Spiniferous tubules are lineated by germ cells and large seroti cells. Germ cells जो करते हैं, germ cells क्या करते हैं? Germ cells form spermatogonia, primary spermatocytes, secondary spermatocytes, and spermatids and spermatozoa. Spermatozoa remains attached with the seroti cells. Seroti cells secrete androgen binding factor, which increases concentration of testosterone in the seminiferous tubules. Seminiferous tubules join to form retitestes. Ductals of retitestes join to form vasa efferentia. Vasa efferentia opens into epididymis. Coming here, this is the seminiferous tubule. This joins into retitestes. Retitestes leads into vasa efferentia. Vasa efferentia leads into vasa differentia. Now these form the structure of epididymis. Epididymis leads into vasa differentia. Epididymis जो होता है, this is the epididymis. It is a long tube. This epididymis, it is a long tube. It is coiled around testes and has three parts. It has three parts. ऊपर वाले पार्ट को इसको कहते हैं कैपेट एपिडिडाइमस, बीच वाले पार्ट को कहते हैं कॉर्पस एपिडिडाइमस, निचले वाले पार्ट को कहते हैं कार्डा एपिडिडाइमस. It has the three parts. Anterior part is called caput epididymis, middle part is called corpus epididymis, posterior part is called cauda epididymis. Yeah, this is cauda epididymis. What is the function of this epididymis? It provides, it secretes epididymis store करता है sperm. And store sperms and secretes a fluid or secrete करता है एक fluid which provides nutrition to sperms. जो sperms को fluid देता है, nutrition करता है इनकी. Maturation of sperms also takes place in epididymis में mature sperms mature भी हो जाती है. फिर है vasa differentia. This is the vasa differentia. One testis forms one vasa differentia. Other testis forms the other vasa differentia. This forms vasa one vasa differentia. This forms vasa other vasa differentia. Now we coming to the vasa differentia. The cauda epididymis on the either side contains continuous into vasa differentia. The two vasa differentia passes into abdomen through the inguinal canal. They coil and join ejectory duct. Coming here, this is from there. This testis यहाँ से चली जाती है ये वासा डिफरेंशिया. यहाँ से वासा डिफरेंशिया चले जाता है किसमें? सिमिनी वेसिकल में. सिमिनी वेसिकल यहाँ पर भी सिमिनिकल वेसिकल में चला जाता है, और यहाँ का जो वासा डिफरेंशिया जो होता है ये भी चला जाता है, वो सेमाइनल वेसिकल में चला जाता है. तो क्या होता है फिर यहाँ पर यहाँ तो ये the vasa coming here, vasa differentia, the cauda epididymis on either side continues into vasa differentia. The two vasa differentia passes into the abdomen through the inguinal canal. They coil and join ejectory duct. This is the ejectory duct. This is one ejectory duct. This is one other ejectory duct. These two ejectory ducts join into urethra. Coming to the ejectory duct. An ejectory duct arises from the seminiferous tubulus. ये seminiferous tubulus में से उगता है. कौन? ejectory duct emerges from vesicle, seminiferous vesicle on the either side of the urinary bladder. The two ejectory ducts descend down and opens into urethra. फिर यहाँ से seminical vesicle से निकल कर seminical vesicle से join करते हैं ये urethra में. What is the coming here? Urethra is an extension of urinary bladder and acts as a urinogenital tract. ये urinogenital tract का काम करता है. Urinogenital tract carries both urine and sperms. वो urethra का दो काम है. ये sperm भी कैरी करता है, urine भी कैरी करता है. It has three parts. इस urethra के तीन parts है. Post-talic urethra, membranous urethra, penile urethra. What is the prostatic urethra? It is upper part of urethra and passes through prostate gland. Prostatic gland. Membranous urethra, it is middle thin part of urethra. Penile urethra, it is long part of the urethra and it passes through penis and opens out through urinogenital pore. There, come here. This is the urethra. This urethra. Urethra, it has three parts: upper part, middle part, and lower part. Upper part is called prostatic part, middle part is called membranous urethra, and the lower part is called penile urethra. The urethra carries sperms and urine also, both the substances. Coming down, this is the penis. It is an erectile copulatory organ. The tip of penis is called glandis penis and covered by a second fold called purpussy. Coming here, this is the most lower part of this urethra. This is called penis. The penis is a long ejectory. It is a copulatory organ. It ends at a tip. It is ends at a tip called a genital pore. This penis has a muscle-like structure at its tip. That is called purpussy. And the tip of the penis is called glandis penis. This it has a small muscle structure that is called purpose. That is all.